Make your life count. Hello and welcome to another edition of Words on Marvel. This is the Reader's Advantage. My name is Aki Odidi. In today's episode, I'll be looking at some of the steps to take to live a life of positive impact. The title of this episode is therefore Make Your Life Count. In the words of American entrepreneur, author and human rights advocate Haggai L-Sheikh, when you complete this journey, do not depart without leaving your marks. Make sure that your time here is worthy. A life that counts is one that is not only significant, but makes positive impact in the lives of others. A life that counts thinks about making positive change by their words, actions, acts of love, compassion, and empathy, one step at a time. But more importantly, a life that counts is that life with the self-belief that unlocking their full potentials and achieving success in order to help and be useful to others start from within. As self-belief is key to achieving in life, you have to believe in yourself, you have to believe in your abilities to achieve before you can think of impacting others. Self-belief is you knowing that everyone has the ability to succeed at something, but not everyone believes in themselves. To make your life count, believe that you have some talent that you can utilize to get the best version of yourself and spread the end product to others. Do not allow the negative noise around you to affect your thoughts about yourself. Move away from the place of negativity. Move to the place of optimism and confidence in yourself and in your capability. Realize early enough that you do not need anybody's approval to make your life count. You will find it difficult to impact and lift others if you do not first believe that you are capable. To make your life count, remember always that you are a champion until your mind tells you otherwise. Closely aligned to your self-belief is your self-worth. To make your life count, value yourself, as whatever you value is what you project and appreciate. If you do not value yourself, you will not expect others to value you. When you cherish your self-worth, others will reciprocate. Low self-worth leads to seeking reassurance and love from other sources, even when you have both in abundance within you. Develop self-acceptance. Love yourself. Do not long to be someone else. Accept yourself. Accept your uniqueness. Accept your originality. There's a reason why you were born the way you are. Be authentic. Be real with yourself. Be happy and content in your own skin. Self-acceptance means validating yourself. Be self-assured. Never wait for people's permission and validation to make your dreams happen, as oftentimes they will not give you permission. A life that counts keeps their conviction. Strive eagerly to keep yours, as you always meet people who will try to move you out of what you hold on to. Always remember that no one can make you to become what you do not want to become. To make your life count, always be ready and willing to learn from others, as learning enables you to stay alive all the time with your dreams. People that make their life count refrain from prejudging others early, as prejudging other people easily colors opinions, it colors relationships. To make your life count, accept self-responsibility for your life. In the words of Abraham Lincoln, in the end, it is not the years in your life that count, it is the life in your years. Taking responsibility does not mean doing way more than you need to. It is accepting responsibility for the things that are working or not working in your life. Accept that you are the only one who can change your life for the best. You are the only one who can change your narrative. Begin with yourself before you can change others. Stop searching for external fixes to sort out your life. Until you look within and unleash your personal power, you will find it difficult to make your life count. It's easier to blame someone or to blame something else than it is to take self-responsibility. So when you find yourself in a slump, ask yourself what you did to get there. If you can figure this out, you can will yourself out of the slump and make your life count. To make your life count, embark on regular self-assessment of your life's journey. Through regular self-assessment, you will ultimately discover your weaknesses and your strengths. Regular self-assessment can also help you to be sure and confident about your capabilities, while also showing you what areas you needed to improve in your life. Regular self-assessment shows you missed or available opportunities and how to convert such opportunities to good use. To make your life count, be ready to be an agent of change. Do not just sit around and talk about how bad things are. Take positive action by looking at one thing, however small, that you can do to make things better. In the words of Afro-American businessman and founder of Volt Energy Utility US, Gilbert Campbell, when you are doing the right thing, others need to be able to see that and hopefully emulate it. And that's how change comes about. Become an agent of change today. Do one thing today and make your life count. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you have been blessed. Continue to stay safe. Until next time, bye for now.